According to a tweet published by the Indian Defence Minister, Rajnath Singh, on January 16, 2020, the Indian defence company L&T Armoured System Complex has finalized the manufacturing of the first locally made K9 Vajra 155mm tracked self-propelled howitzer. In May 2017, the South Korean defence company Samsung-Techwin, along with the local Indian private sector partner Larsen & Toubro, signed a contract for the sale of 100 modified K9 Vajra 155mm self-propelled howitzers. The K9 Vajra is a modified version of the South Korean-made K9 Thunder tracked self-propelled howitzer designed and manufactured by the South Korean company Samsung-Techwin. The main armament consists of one 155mm 52 caliber cannon. The K9 can fire all standard NATO 155mm caliber ammunition. It can fire standard HE projectile at a maximum range of 30 km and rocket-assisted projectile at 40 km.